Hi guys, welcome to this short tutorial on making a custom fade using VSDC. First, add a video to your project. Now, we'll add a fade out at the end of the project. Here we can see the fade out. In the Properties window we can see the fade out settings. By clicking on this parameter change button, we can change this from a smooth transition to a custom one. Clicking on this button to the right, we open the trajectory of the transition. Here we can see how the fade goes from 100% to 0%. If we add a point to this trajectory, we can drag the point up or down, and so customize the fade out. This same method can be used for a fade in as well, or even any other adjustments, like zoom settings or most other effects in the adjustment menu. Thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful.